Hello, now I am going to tell you how to install OpenFoam in Windows 11 with Windows Subsystem for Linux. And for doing that, I'll start one Ubuntu terminal, and here you can see this is the Ubuntu terminal. And next step, I'll go to OpenFoam website, and here you can see the current release is 2312, and these are the steps for installation of OpenFoam. And the first step is add the repository, update the repository information, install preferred package, and use the OpenFoam shell session. So first I'll copy this and I'll paste it in the Ubuntu terminal. Here you can see the repository is set up, and now you can install package. So the next step is update, and finally installation of OpenFoam 2312. So OpenFoam is installed, and the next step is to edit the bashrc file, and I will use nano to edit the bashrc file. And I already copied this line, so use a step to add this line, and after that Control O, enter, and Control X. So the next step is you can use the OpenFoam shell session. You can see there is a tutorials folder, and I copied this tutorial folder intentionally from the original installation folder to the root directory, because in the installation folder you may not have write permission, but in the local folder or in the root directory there is the write permission, and from here I can run OpenFoam simulations. And for doing that I'll go to tutorials, incompressible simple form and pitch daily. This is one basic example, and if you want to, you can do ls to uh, view the contents of that folder. You can see there are number of folders, but I did those things before, so you can once again run block mesh. But originally in the original folder you will have only 0, constant and system, and after the simulation you will get 120. These are the simulation files at different time step. So first I will run block mesh. You can see the mesh is generated successfully, and after that I will do simple form. You can see the simulation is started. Yes, the simulation is converged after 281 iterations. So we have successfully installed OpenFoam in Windows 11 with Windows subsystem for Linux, and in next tutorial I will tell how to post process the results and how to uh, run simulations using more number of processors or using MPI. Thank you.